Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be going through Java Stdin and Stdout 1, which is the HackerRank practice problem number 3. So we'll go ahead and solve the challenge. Most HackerRank challenges require you to read input from Stdin and write to output standard output. One popular way to read input from Stdin is by using the scanner class and specifying the input stream as system.in. For example, so define a new scanner and pass in system.in. And the default value here, default return value is a string. So scanner next will get the value in scanner. Now you can also do a myInt to get scanner next int. Now I don't know why they didn't call this next string, next int, but apparently that's just the way it is. And then we're going to close the scanner so we don't cause a memory leak. And then we just print these out, my string and my int. Now the code above creates a scanner object named scanner and uses it to read in a string and an int. Then it closes the scanner object because there's no more input to read and prints out to Stdout using system out println string. So if our input is high 5, our code will print my string is the high, so it grabs the string here, and then my int is 5, so it just magically grabs the 5 here apparently. Alternatively, you can use the buffed reader class. Okay, I guess we're going to learn about the buffed reader class. Basically, this is just another way of grabbing input. In this example, buffered reader, instantiate a new buffered reader and instantiate a new file reader and pass in this case, it's called foo.in. But we're not here to learn buffered reader class, so we're going to skip that. In this challenge, you must read 3 integers from Stdin and then print them to Stdout. Each integer must be printed on a new line. To make the problem a little easier, a portion of the code is provided for you in the editor below. So basically we have these 3 lines of input. Each line contains a single integer. We have 42, 100, and 125, and the same thing needs to be outputted. So if we go over here to the code itself, doing everything inside the main method, we're going to instantiate a scanner called scan, and it's going to pass in the system.in. So int a equals scan.nextInt. So basically this is just, it's like a magical pointer that's just going to go to the next int. So if we do an int b equals scan next int, it's going to grab, it won't grab the same int as in int a, it's going to grab the next int down the line. And then we can do the same thing here. Int c equals scan next int. And down here, we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to do a system out print line b and system out print line c. All right, let's run that and see what we get. Congratulations, you have passed the test case. So let's submit that. Fetching results. There we go. Whew, I earned 5 points. Congratulations, you solved the challenge. So 3 test cases, all were successful. And that is pretty much it for Stdin and Stdout. So let me know if you have questions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.